In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open QuickBooks with no problem. If QuickBooks Desktop hesitates, throws errors, or your company file won't load, this walkthrough will help you start cleanly and avoid the most common roadblocks. Begin by launching QuickBooks with elevated permissions. On Windows, right-click the QuickBooks Desktop icon and choose Run as Administrator. This simple change ensures Windows grants QuickBooks the access it needs to read and write company files and update components. If you see a security prompt, approve it. If your computer is managed by IT and you can't run apps as an administrator, ask them to enable it for QuickBooks. Once QuickBooks is opened, make sure it's up to date. Go to Help, select Update QuickBooks Desktop, then choose Update Now. Install any available patches. Updates often include fixes for startup glitches, improved compatibility, and performance enhancements that can prevent crashes when opening your file. When the update finishes, allow QuickBooks to restart so the changes take effect. Next, confirm the location of your company file. Your .qbw file should live on a local drive or a reliable network location where you have full read and write permission. Avoid storing it on external USB drives or devices that disconnect or sleep, as even a brief interruption can cause errors or corruption. If you work from a network share, ensure your connection is stable and that you have the proper access granted by your administrator. If the file still won't open or you see error messages, use the QuickBooks File Doctor. First, download the QuickBooks Tool Hub from Intuit if you don't already have it. Open Tool Hub, go to Company File Issues, and select QuickBooks File Doctor. Choose your company file and let it scan. This utility can repair minor data corruption and address common file and network configuration issues that block QuickBooks from opening your data. When you're ready to open the file, go to File, choose Open or Restore Company, and select Open a Company File. Browse to the correct .qbw, confirm it's the right company data, and click Open. If you maintain multiple files, double-check the file name and location so you don't accidentally open an outdated copy. If errors appear after the file opens, you can rebuild your data to correct minor issues. Go to File, choose Utilities, then Rebuild Data.